Here we are. This would be my Commodore PET 8032. That would be 32K RAM and an 8-column screen. The software that you're looking at just now is supposed to be running on a 40-column screen, hence the emptiness on one side and the occasional graphic that wanders over. Software. Grr. Software. Wooden by tape. There's no Vic 21 there. And it's well knacked, well stained, and things don't quite fit into the back properly. Never mind. And loading off a bunch of audiogenic magazine tapes called Cursor, which, believe it or not, that one is actually from August 1978 and it still works. How bizarre is that? The rest are actually coming from 1980 and they also seem to work as well. I'm quite impressed by that, to be honest. 1978, there you go. Anyway then, super machine, big, but pretty gorgeous, you must admit. Sadly, however, that's the noise it makes when it tries to load from that very ropey cassette player there, which does my nut in. Never mind that. And here we have the game Joust. Not quite the bumping on other birds' heads and getting eggs, but actually a lovely ASCII rendition of Knights on Horses. How exciting! No sound, of course. And of course, one of the super things about the PET is that it has this somewhat surreal car bonnet thing where you undo a screw or two and the whole thing opens up. So up there, that's obviously the bottom of the monitor. You can just make out the CRT there. We have a very dusty board. I did get a manual for an additional memory card, but I'm not seeing anything obviously installed in here. That would be my power bit and the big capacitor there. And you know, that looks alright. It's quite neat though, you got to admit. There's the tape connection there. IEEE disc there, and there's a secondary cassette interface there, and open sockets. I wonder what they do.